I've been on the river for about 10 minutes, and still have a while to go till I get to my ideal camping spot. Today's canoe trip is short, roughly a mile. Tomorrow will be nearly 3 times as long.
Why is this stuck? Oh, I'm hungry. I'm really hungry.
What's up everybody, Zoltoks here. I'm doing my fall camp out. The reason why I got this hoodie zipped up all the way is there's a lot of mosquitoes. Let me show you my gear real quick and I'll get going. Okay, so I got a tripod right here, got a hat, got a weatherproof jacket, some cheapy rope, Harmonica, SJ4000 case. My GoPro 2 fell into the bottom of the river, which I will look for tomorrow, but that happened about half a year ago. Or no, this summer, so luck to finding that is very slim to none. Got a box of matches, got a headlamp, got my phone. Over here I got my pack. Inside of my pack is 1 ramen. I got my throwing knife, which is also a good bushwhacking knife. I got a sleeping mat, which is to keep me elevated off the ground because it gets moist and I don't want to wake up wet. And I have the sleeping bag that I use in my winter camp out, which is a, I don't know, it's rated for 32 degrees. It's going to be 40, 49, 47 degrees tonight. So that's Fahrenheit. That'll be pretty good weather. Oh, and I got this little lamp right here. So I have literally only like 30 minutes of light left. So I need to go get some firewood, get some fire going to get these mosquitoes off me. So let's do this. Well, finally got my fire up. Still in the beginning stages, but it's big enough to at least not go out for now, and I'll make it bigger. But took long enough. So it's always nice to have a little bit of fire. It's getting late. I'll turn on the video one last time to show you my sleeping spots. But I guess I'll wait and see you in the morning. You guys aren't gonna believe this. I grabbed the wrong mat. This is my sleeping spot. I put down my bag and my jacket, and that's my mat, that little blue thing, and a pillow. And all I have is my sleeping bag right there. My fire's going out, but it's time for me to hit the hay. And for some reason I'm really low on battery, so this stinks. I will see you guys tomorrow. Listen. I heard some coyotes. Whew, gave me the heebie-jeebies for a second. Sleeping with my knife tied to me. It's in its sheath. Makes me feel safer. But man, come on, howl one more time. I thought it was a person at first. That was eerie. That was cool. Alright, back to bed. I heard those coyotes howl periodically throughout the entire night, and was happy to be awoken by the sound of morning birds. Alright guys, so I got my fire at a pretty good cooking temperature. Over here I collected some fresh pine needles. I got my little pot right here. I'm going to first make pine needle tea, and then I'm going to make some ramen. So I just put this right here. Scoot it back a little bit. The secret to making good pine needle tea is to have not much water and a lot of pine needles. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to start taking these sprigs off. Now, normally I don't make pine needle tea, but since, you know, I found this, it was actually just sitting on the ground, and I picked it up. I was like, wow, hey look, it's fresh. This will make good pine needle tea. So, I'm just collecting all these stems or leaves, and I'm going to put them inside the pot. Alright, so let's take a look at this pine needle tea. I got some water boiling. It looks like it's turning out pretty good actually. Yeah, that pine needle tea is definitely done. Changed color and everything. Ooh, so warm. Ooh, hot. Smells good. Alright guys, I don't know if you remember, but I came here without a paddle because I forgot one. So what I did is I found some pretty sturdy wood that's pretty flat, and then I got a nice straight long stick and I cut it right here to make it more flat so this will lay on top real well. Kind of create a homemade paddle, and I'm gonna wrap it up with this cheapy rope. Alright, well look, I finished it up. I'm actually pretty impressed. You know, this is pretty sturdy. I can't wait to actually get to use this paddle. It's going to be so much better than using a stick. I'm pretty happy with this. So if I haven't explained, these tables that are sitting up are from previous camping trips with my friends. So I've never been out here completely by myself. This is the first time. But yeah, we built these benches and they've been here for years. This one's only a summer, like we built this one in the summer, this summer, but this one and this one has been here for maybe 4 or 5 years, like no joke. I'm starting to get hungry. It's time for breakfast. I have a little bit of pine needles left in there. It's not gonna ruin the flavor too much. Pour the packet in. Oh yeah, this is already looking good and it's not even ready. Alright, now let's put this back on the flame, right on top of the coals. And this will start boiling in just a few minutes. So the ramen's done. Let me get that out of the fire. Better than the ramen I make at home. Sort of. Now since I've had a good breakfast, I might as well practice my knife throwing. I will now demonstrate the underhand throw. One, two, come on, three, come on, three, go for four. Ah! As you can see, this tree is completely dead, so please don't be freaking out when I start stabbing this tree up with my knife. So this is called the blade throw. You use it for close range. So I was walking back to my camp and oh, this stuff smells so good. This is fresh mint leaf. And you can see it's all spread around here. It just smells so good. So, you know, I didn't bring any toothpaste and stuff, so my breath smells kind of bad, so just eat some of this stuff. Chew it a lot. You can swallow it if you want, but since I ate so much, I'm just going to chew and spit. Kind of like a mouthwash. Stuff smells so good. I took one last look at my surroundings and then decided to go home.